Happy graduation. And I'm recording right now. Happy graduation. I miss you.
Oh, I miss you too.
Happy graduation.
Happy graduation.
How is feeling today?
Fantastic, free.
Yay. Say something to me.
Why I need to say something to you?
Because I will upload on YouTube. Like the good thing about me. The good thing about me.
Not really.
Say something.
Go bake sourdough.
Oh, okay.
Now.
Make the properly sourdough.
Make sure to master the sourdough.
Sure. Thank you. Yeah.
It's on mobile?
No. Chef, I want you to say something about me.
I'll say that later on when I'm on the...
It's for personal. Anything, chef.
It's already recording?
Oh, it's already. So you can say no.
Yes, Nirvana. Nirvana, when I saw you before your first class, I think so.
Yeah.
On
Weekend program?
weekend program, yes. From that time till now, I think so you have shined a lot. Yeah.
Thank you.
We were great to have you as a student,
Thank you, chef.
and I would appreciate that you keep up the good work and love you.
Thank you, chef.
Oh my God, what is
video. Camera. It's like a GoPro.
I have to say something.
Say something about me.
my customer.
Say something about me.
Thank you so much. I don't have the possibility to know you from the beginning, so I'm really happy to have worked with you. I'm really happy to teach you. I hope that you have learned a lot. Thanks for burning my crumble.
So you will remember me, Nirvana, the one who burned my crumble.
Okay. I will remember you, and I want to buy 3 things.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, chef.
For all. I hope that you learn, and for anything, we are here. I have to
Thank
look
you.
on the camera or look
Okay.
at you.
Okay.
I don't know.
Are you ready?
No.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, Victoria?
Very ready.
Yay. Party. I will kill me, very. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Come, film is everyone.
Look at my makeup. I'm ready. You can't smell my perfume, but I'm ready. Are you filming
But
me?
I can smell it. Anyway, why you were told to me that we will wear
Because they're not wearing their
shoes?
step shoes.
Them.
1, 2, 3 people are not wearing their step shoes. You need to sign.
Now go with me.
No, I don't need to.
Oh, chef. Where's Iman?
Open this door for me, kids.
You will still continue to hear the words of your chefs, whether it's Chef Adam's plan your work and work your plan, or Chef
Congratulations to batch 128, 129 and 130. You guys have made it.
You're standing and getting graduated. Yeah.
The reason behind the day when you stepped in here, you had already taken a great step, or what you can say, a great adjustment to.
So, the certificate of recognition for pastry goes to the following students. Nirvana. The batch was so big, we could obviously not pick just one chef of the batch, so we have two. So, the first chef of the batch is Gamita.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Congratulations, Nirvana.
Yay!
Congrats, Nirvana. Look at my nails.
Oh my God! Say something for me. It's in the site right now. Okay, I will upload that one on YouTube, chef.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, on YouTube?
I will send you the link later.
Oh, YouTube.
Say something about me. It's recording already.
Okay, she's awesome.
Okay.
And it's been so long that she's been here, so I'm very happy that she finally graduated and did what she wanted to do.
I don't know.
Graduate.
Yeah. Ya ini CTA. Ini nih classroom. Classroom. I'm coming. So this is the new kitchen. Ini dia kitchen baru. Nah, ini resepsionis. One second. Dan ini ruangan buat barista kelas sama sugar. Kita lagi ada kelas di sana. Nah, ini kitchennya. Awalnya aku. Nah, ini kafetaria. Hi.
Bye-bye, good luck.
She's carrying a stick.
Ini ruang kelas yang lain. And I'm thirsty also.
And if I'm done.
No, for record these things. So ini kitchennya. Ini bagian cookery. Dan ini wash area. Tada tempatnya cuci piring.
My favorite place.
Yeah, her favorite place. Because she feel like she want to take shower. Yeah, you always rinse. You always rinse everything there. Oke. Setelah 2 bulan di sini, akhirnya pulang juga. The chef office. Yeah. Sekianlah ICCA, tour ICCA. Ciao.